A number lock has a 3-digit code. Using these hints, let's try to find out the correct code. Pause the video here to find the solution yourself. To verify your answer, continue watching. We'll start with this hint, where none of the numbers are correct. This means 7, 3 and 8 cannot be placed anywhere in the code. So, let's mark them as incorrect. The first statement has an 8 and the last statement has both 7 and 8. All these are incorrect numbers. Now we'll move to the last statement. 780. One number is correct but in the wrong position. We already know that 7 and 8 are incorrect, leaving 0 as the only correct option. But this 0 is in the wrong position. So it should either come as the first number or the second number. Now, let's consider the third hint, where two numbers are correct but in the wrong positions. We already know that 0 is one of the correct numbers. If 0 cannot be in the second position and the third position, it definitely has to be as the first number. So, let's go ahead and mark the first digit as 0. To find out the other two numbers, let's start with the first hint, where one number is correct and in the correct position. Here we already know that 8 is incorrect. So the correct number should be either 6 or 2. Let's check if 6 can be correct. According to this statement, 6 is correct and in the correct position. But according to the second statement, where one number is correct and in the wrong position, if 6 was the correct number, the same position cannot be wrong. This means that 6 can never be the correct number. So let's mark it as incorrect. We have one more 6 in the third statement. Let's also mark it as incorrect. Now, moving to the first statement again. One number is correct and in the correct position. We are left with only 2, which is in the correct position. So, let's write down 2 in the code as the last number. Now, we have only the second statement. One number is correct but in the wrong position. We have only the middle number to be found out. If 4 was the correct number, according to the statement, it is in the wrong position. That means 4 should come either as the first number or the last number. These numbers are already solved. Hence, 4 cannot be correct. We are left with only 5. And since this is in the wrong position, it will be moved to the second place. And that finishes our code. 052 is the code to unlock.